Welcome back, guys. Here we go. One of your favorite episodes coming your way. A live trading session from A to Z, where we go through the analysis, execution of the trade, the picking of the stock, and the psychology, which is the reason why I get to make these videos for you guys. Let's get right into it. We'll talk about it even further in a minute. Let's go. Alrighty, guys. Brand new week, early start. Let's get right into it. So, this will be the last video on my channel of this caliber. I know it's sudden, but we'll talk about it before the video ends. But before the video ends, let's start the video. How about that? Let's go through our trade from A to Z. I want to leave you with some tips going forward so you can use it in your own trading. So it's definitely a smashy video. Stay tuned and let's get right into it. Alright guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to go over the analysis right now, and then we'll go over today's game plan that I'm going to share with my team, and then the execution of the trade. So I'm watching a couple of things. For those trading futures, the Nasdaq at the moment has more volatility than any other kind of indice. So today we're going to be watching, and we go back to the old style of trading with earner reports. We've got earner reports, and this is an earner report season, guys. So we have Harley Davidson going under the symbol HOG, HOG. And we also have Piton. Now, here's the thing. This here, right, this is positive news trade. This here will be fear trade. So here you have hype and here you've got fear. I actually enjoy trading stocks with fear. Now, how do I know there's hype and fear? Well, guys, like I said, and obviously it's always going to be the news. So here we've got Harley Davidson up by 8%, which is good. Enough volatility. The reason, well, it just beat earnings and it lifted guidance. So here we've got a pattern that we can attach it to, and obviously we have price action to give us indication of what this stock is going to do. Game plan has been shared with my chat room. I do this every morning before market open. A lot of you are aware of this, and I've shared the game plan and what I plan on doing. So let's go ahead and do exactly what I said in this game plan, and feel free to pause the video and read what I said earlier and what I'm about to do. So let's jump right into it. Stock market opens any minute, guys. Market just opened, and this is a position from Friday that I just closed. Okay, so this here is closed. So now we're watching Harley Davidson, guys, and Piton. So guys, we're gonna watch Harley Davidson, see what it wants to do. Right now it actually just made a newer high, but what I want to do is I want to see if it would hold a specific key level before I jump in. So right now it's holding. Right, so I just entered 500 shares here. So we'll add another soon enough of 200 shares. So at the moment what it's doing, guys, is basically it did pop upwards, found resistance, but now this is the consolidation period, and in a consolidation period here you get to find out if there's buying pressure. So what's happening now is that this is refusing to drop below this resistance or the support line. So really traders are interpreting that into, okay, let's buy the stock. So obviously it is the first 3 minutes of market open. So what we're going to see is a further increase in buying pressure any minute soon. Now this kind of trading, guys, I don't recommend, because usually you don't have a direction, but you will have a direction once you're experienced. But right now what you're doing is, and what I've just done was add two positions, guys. One here and one here. Now let me just exit this chart and give you a better chart, guys. So I can, a bigger one. Let me see. So I think I locked this chart by accident. I'll figure it out later. But here we are, guys. Okay. We were down 500, now we're in the profit zone. These were two entries on Harley, and here we go. Here's the breakout, guys. Now this is the resistance. Okay, this is the resistance right about here. Now I'm already up about 1300 on the day. from Friday's trade. This is the resistance. And we actually just broke above resistance. Okay, we touched it, we tested it, now we're gonna test it again. But you can see there is buying pressure. Look at this candle, guys. There is buying pressure. But here, this is a psychological level. So a lot of traders are watching their stop losses. That's where they put their stop losses for those shorts. That's where they put their take profits. But this is an emotional stock after all. So let me speed this forward, guys. Keep watching this. I'll let you watch this. Look at the price action. But here's the next candle. This next candle is very crucial. So here what I expected to do is go above this. But look, it failed. But it's trying. There's more buying pressure with this candle than there is selling pressure. So that's obviously... But I'm not greedy, guys. I already took my over 1,000 today. But let's just take whatever is handed here and walk away. There's 700 shares actually. Now for you guys who can do the maths here on this account and what I'm using, well, there's about 13,000 on this. So I actually added more, guys. So now what we're gonna do is wait for that breakout, because it looks like it's looking like it's testing it. So I added another 700 shares. Now for those watching and you're like, Zed, why don't you trade for us with a smaller account? Well, I done that actually. I'll leave a video for you guys in the description where we trade with a smaller account. But I'm not gonna miss out on money just for the sake of YouTube. Let's just look at this breakout. This is a second breakout, guys. It's about to go above 46. But you know what? I'm not really gonna stick around for long. I'm gonna wait and just... Right, guys. That's $800 made today. This is my chat room so far. Green, hog, right? It's the same trades, same stocks that I've shared in my game plan. Good job to you guys. Well done. You'll probably see yourself. Let me share my result. Right, so that's how you trade this kind of catalyst or this kind of news in the market. And if you want to join the team, if you want to get my daily analysis, and I've also added chat room assistants, so they'll assist in the calls and the analysis, and this makes sure. So here's more actually from the team. I missed this out, but well done, guys. It looks like an overall green chat room. So guys, here's the thing. If you want to join the team, if you want to learn further, there's a link to the course on Teachable. No other, right? There is too many imposters in the comment sections. Do be careful. I don't trade on your behalf. I only mentor you guys. And also look at the disclaimers, because this isn't like a sure thing. This involves experience and expertise, but that's something you gain over time. Let's see what this is all about. Amazing day. I love you, Zed. I love you too, buddy. I blew 2 accounts last 2 months being greedy. So here's his first day back with $700 profit. Good job, buddy. Well done. So the trade is complete. As always, it didn't take long. It depends on the kind of trade you're taking, whether it's intraday or scalping. Usually I like to scalp and intraday, but some people don't like intraday because it takes up their time. Intraday just simply means you're trading within the day. So hopefully, guys, these tips that I gave you in this video can help in your own trading. Now, obviously, you have to test out everything that you get to see on social media or even my channel. Now, obviously, a lot of you have been waiting to see why I'm not going to be making these kind of videos. Now, the reason, guys, is these videos, although they get attention and although they get ranked on YouTube, they attract the wrong people. That's number one. They also attract bots and scammers, something that has been infesting YouTube for the last couple of months, and you can get to see them in the comment sections, guys. And look, you guys get to suffer as a result, because what's happening is you have these bots impersonating channels, not just my channel, guys. Every other YouTube channel that you're watching, they get to impersonate them, and basically they get to ask you for funds and whatnot, and to trade on your behalf. Guys, I do not trade on anybody's behalf. Right? I mean, it just doesn't make sense financially to trade on for somebody else. Well, I could just do it for myself. But the only thing that I do offer is the course and the chat room, which obviously you get to find on Teachable, right? It's always going to be pinned by my verified username. So that's not all, obviously. In August, I'll be stopping taking on beginners. So these videos do attract beginners. But at the end of the day, I don't want to attract beginners come August. I want to attract those who are experienced, those who have already been trading. So, obviously, I won't be posting such videos, but I will be posting broad, general videos for traders. Matter of fact, if even, because at the end of the day, I've said everything, I've done everything, guys. I've showed you everything on this channel. Like, you could go back to my older videos and just have a look. I like making videos where I can just be myself, just say whatever I want to say, guys, and I believe in at the end of the day, and usually I don't have to edit anything. So these are the kind of videos I'd like to make. Maybe I'll make them once a month for you guys. So maybe that's the schedule for us. It's once a month you get to see me on YouTube, but I'll always be on Instagram. So wish you guys the best of luck. Keep doing your thing, keep practicing. For those interested in joining the team, there's a link in the comment section for you guys and the description. You can also find me on Instagram. I'll always be active on Instagram. But I'll see you next time, guys. Appreciate you for watching. And I wish you the best of luck. Peace.